No, not okay. Never okay. Oh my god. Is that the wrong number? I'm all sorts of fucked up. Oh my god, what is wrong with me? I'd really like to see that. Just say it. It's pretty safe to...
I would give that out.
Excuse me. Violet! Although... Shit, man. Fuck. As well as a... Yee, that was good. Ugh. Absolutely ridiculous. Viewfinder makes everything look really intense. I'm gonna flip it over. Excuse me. My viewfinder text came in as I was talking. I'm sorry. Hold better.
Maybe I'll try that next then. This one was holding and then...
Who has pink thumbs with the nonsense that I am? Force of nature. If you want to read a summary, American Merca. Jesus, with the burping. I like how... Stop. Stop. I'm sorry, I'm gassy. You guys enjoy it. So I have to burp. Excuse me, I did have to burp. Burp. I burp. Excuse me. Oh my gosh. Again. Wow. I have... I'm so sorry. That was die to him. Yeah. So you feeding anybody? Excuse me. Hi, is Robert Kaczynski. There. It's all fancy. Oh, I'm gonna burp. Excuse me. I'm sorry. Excuse me. Bye. So I'm wearing it. Yeah. Excuse me. I have the hiccups. Wait. Excuse me. Oh my gosh. Jeez. Love you all. You're my hearts. I'll see you soon. Bye. Gross. I swear. That was gross. It's true. Your talent is I can burp really loud. Hi. I'm sorry. Oh, gross. It's two, which... Oh. Excuse me.
Give that to Nihilus.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry.